Presenting boAt Immortal IM 1000D gaming headphones. It comes in two color variants of black Sabre and white Sabre. Inside the box, you will find the Immortal IM 1000D headphones. The dimensions of the product are 21 cm by 12 cm by 22 cm and it weighs 250 grams. Its lightweight, over-ear industrial design with super soft earmuffs and RGB breathing LEDs offers a cozy playtime. It is a wired headphone. The boAt headphone includes 7.1 channel surround audio via boAt plug-in Labz as well as Dolby Atmos. It is a USB gaming headphones exclusively only for PC. It comes with Dual Mics and ENx technology that delivers your voice unhindered. This gaming headphone is a great addition to your gaming setup. The headphone has a securely braided cable for a hassle-free extended usage. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.